Welcome back to my channel. This is Mariah and I'm here with my boyfriend. On the first half of this episode, we'll be talking about different terms that we say versus Americans terms. And then half of this will be, I will be teaching my boyfriend in saying Tagalog. Speaking Tagalog. Are you ready?
Ready.
Alright. So, first word is, for the refrigerator, we call it as ref. What about you?
The short term would be a fridge,
Alright.
but we also just say the whole word refrigerator.
Alright. For air conditioning, we call it aircon.
We say the whole two words again, air conditioning or AC.
Alright. For the toilet, we call that CR.
Yes, that would be toilet, restroom, bathroom.
Alright. For grab car, it's grab car.
For us, that would be the two most popular are Uber and Lyft.
And for the restaurant, we call that as resto.
No shortened nickname for a restaurant, just restaurant.
Alright. For rubber shoes or running shoes, we call that rubber shoes.
A lot of different terms we refer to the rubber shoes. Tennis shoes, sneakers, basketball shoes.
Running shoes.
And running shoes, yes.
And then, whenever we're going to overtake on the road, we say that overtake or overtaking.
And we call that passing.
Wow. Passing. Alright, so have you learned from that? I hope you've learned from that. This time, so half of this, again, is teaching my boyfriend Tagalog words. So first word is K-I-L-I-G.
Kilig.
No, it's kilig.
Kilig.
G-I-G-I-L.
Gigil.
Oh. N-Y-E-K.
Nayak.
Nyak.
Nyak.
But do you know those words already? Kilig, you know kilig, right?
Yes.
What's that?
Affection.
Or like whenever you say, for example, I love you, then I feel kilig.
Kiss, kiss. Then,
Then giggle, do you know that?
No, I don't remember.
It's like there's a baby or let's say
Oh,
you.
cute.
Like no, for example, giggle, I'm so giggle.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I mean, you want to pinch that person or
Okay.
yeah. Nyak.
Yak.
It's like oops.
Oh,
What about M-O-M-S-H-I-E? How do you pronounce it?
mumshi.
Momshi.
Momshi.
So do you have an idea what it is?
No,
No, really?
I can't remember.
It's one of the words or one of the terms that we say to our mother,
Oh.
like instead of
Mother.
instead of mommy,
Mother.
we call that momshi. And then B-E-S.
Bess.
Do you have an idea what it is?
No, I should remember.
Like best friend,
Oh, that's right.
best. C-H-I-K-A.
Chica.
Do you have any
Yeah,
idea?
that's gossip.
D-I and then space B-A. How do you pronounce it?
Diba.
Diba?
Diba.
So it's like a question. I mean, you're like questioning someone, isn't it? So she's beautiful. So she's beautiful, diba? So isn't
Diba.
Isn't she? Something like that. It can be isn't it or isn't she or isn't she. It depends on the usage. Oh, there are noises. I hope it will not. If you can hear that music, well, I hope it's not going to be copyrighted. So what about B-A-B-A-E?
Babae.
Babae.
Babae. Babae.
Do you have any idea?
Sorry.
I told you that.
I know.
Okay. So that's girl.
Oh.
What about this? Lalaki?
Lalaki. Lalaki. Boy.
Lalaki. Maganda.
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 Do you have any idea?
Yeah.
Maganda.
Beautiful.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Correct. Then Tubig.
Too big.
Oh. Do you have any idea what it is? Too big.
Oh yeah, it's too large.
No.
Too much.
It's water.
Oh, water.
Okay. Last is Tabo.
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 Tabo. Tabo.
So, do you have any idea?
Yes.
What is it?
It's to assist in going to the bathroom. To assist with the cleaning.
It's like a small, what do you call that?
Like a small pitcher.
Small picture that you use for washing
Yes.
washing whenever you're in the toilet.
Yeah. Very
Private.
not used in the United States.
Yeah, what do you
Very
use?
infrequent. Very infrequent.
Instead of bidet.
Well, there's very few homes in the U.S. that have a bidet. They would want to have that installed. We just use a lot of TP.
Alright. So but you experience using tabo here?
I have.
In the hospital? Alright. So I hope you enjoyed that episode. And I hope you've learned something today. Do you have anything for now? Shout out to
No, you've already shared enough.
Alright, thank you so much, love, for being with us today. Did you enjoy it?
Somewhat.
Somewhat. Thank you, and I hope you will watch our next episodes. Take care and God bless.